How you doing, guys? So today we're just doing a quick recap of the trades that we did this week. So this week, pretty much the past 3 days, that's when we started, making a lot of money. But here's the report right here. So December 6, 2022. So as you guys know, I trade a lot of SPX, and then I'm doing the challenge on GJ. The GJ is currently connected to the MEM account, so whenever I trade GJ, it's only gonna trade GJ, but for next week, I'm activating the SPX as well. So the mom account, which is is connected to my main account. Whatever I trade in my main account, it'll trade on the mom account. So all you have to do is create your mom account. You just need to message me, create it, and then I'll connect your account to my account. And then every time I make a trade, if I make money, you make money. If I lose, I lose. So this week, pretty much, when I was trading GJ, we lost the GJ. But I didn't activate the SPX yet. I just activated it this week. Let me see. Yeah, so I actually activated 4 different pairs now. Yeah, here. So I activated 4 different pairs. So we'll be trading GBP, USD, SPX, Gold, and GJ. I just lowered everything. I lowered it to 0.5. So whatever I open, it'll be half. It won't be as risky as my position now. But anyway, we did this for the past 3 days, and we made about 100G. So I'm just gonna show you guys where I entered this week and how I caught these trades. I mean, pretty much just for the day. I'll show you when I entered and why I entered this area here. So December 9, today's December 9. So let me show you guys. So that trade right here was actually, I opened it December 8th, then I closed it on December 9th. So I still have my markup here. So if you look at this trade right here, this is where I entered. So after breaking this area here, oops, this area here, the market did a kind of break and retest here. I didn't enter here, but I thought the market was gonna break lower here, and which is it did broke this support area here, but it started bumping higher. So you can see I entered that. That's 166.09. I mean, with the spread, I had a spread of 2 spread, so it filled me higher. I mean, the spread in this one is different, but as you can see, 66. So I was trying to get this entry here because I did market execution. So you can see that's the only valid area here. That's 3968.4. It filled me market price 3966.09 for sales. And then I had it's right here. So I posted it. I alerted it yesterday in the private group chat. I said that I was gonna hold this until PPI is out, and I'm gonna trail it once we drop 360. So I held it December 8, and then December 9. It went up, almost hit our stop loss here, and then boom, the market, this morning, PPI came out at 6:30 in the morning, and it started dropping here. It actually dropped all the way to my original take profit. I said actually this was my original target. I told everyone in the group, the private group chat, that my target is 39.29. But it happened so fast, so right after it broke that 39.60, it was hitting here. I tried to give it some leeway. I set my trail stop. A trail stop is 39.40, which is, yeah, right here. I posted it 39.40. It's like a minute after the PPI came out, it dropped quick. After it dropped quick, good thing I was fast because look how the market started recovering. So I was able to secure that. This trade right here. Caught the news right here. So that's how we got the trade right here. And then right here, I tried to re-enter the sales around this area, 39.59 right here under sales, and I was like, oh, that's not a safe area because we broke this structure here. So I'll move it at break even, close my break even, then I saw it push all the way to 60. So it was struggling here in under 1 minute. Under 1 minute it was struggling, it was pulling back. I thought it was gonna break the structure, but it didn't, so I closed it right away too with my stop loss lower, and made a little bit of profit with that. And then I tried it again, 39.65 around this area. It was around this area here now when I entered, so we made that high. It went down. I got it in here, 39.65 right here, as you can see. Then it went down to 60 all the way back here, and I was trail stopping this one too. That's why you see it's red, because I tried to trail stop it. And then after that, I saw that the market, started consolidating around this area. So disregard this one. So I saw the market was consolidating here. So I was like, alright, the market is trying to, push higher, trying to make a V-shaped recovery at that time. So I was only looking for, a breakout around this area here, the range area. And then, boom, the market broke out, but then it got rejected here. So they started creating a nice higher highs. And then I was like, we saw some OB here, and I saw that he was holding here, and then that's where we entered around the area. And then we checked all the confirmations actually, so we saw that it was an uptrend, broke out above this area. The confirmations of 5 minutes was holding green around here. As you can see, the sniper was green the whole time, meter was green the whole time. So if it's green, that means buyers are in the game, like they're the one, carrying the market around this area here. So this whole time, oops, alright, this whole time, this green to green here is all buyers. As you can see, the market was going up clearly. So we were only looking for buys after that. So when I was scalping the sales here, it was under 1 minute, but 5 minutes it was green. So we got in around 39.63, 39.64 area. So about this area here. So we look at that breakout right here. The market pushed. We got the whole thing 75. I had a TP at 75. So it's not perfect. There we go. 75. We either take profit, as you can see, either target 39.75. As you can see, I also alerted that in the group. Where's that? That was my last alert. Let me show you. So I alerted that, I said that 39.63.92, that was my entry, and then take profit 39.75. there we go. I said it right here, 39.75, either target 39.75. My stop loss was down here. Since I was watching it, I was still stopping it, so my R&R kind of sucks, but I was giving some leeway. I made enough profit, so that's how we do it. I reached some profit, and I tried to scalp. But since I had a lot of confirmation that the market was gonna go up, now I'm pretty confident with the buy. So we hit that area right there, hit our profit, and then I noticed that the market was creating a nice rising wedge. So we did a markup, the higher highs and higher lows. And then I noticed that the market was creating a nice lower highs as well. So we connected these two lines right here, this swing here and here, and then we drew the line all the way down here. And then we saw that the market was trying to break these higher lows. So these two trades right here, I didn't trade it because I was done for the day, pretty much for the week, because I already made, hit my target for the week. So I didn't want to give the market the the profit back. But I announced this to the group, to the private chat, that there's still a good chance to go down if you get rejected around this area here, 39.72. So the market broke out, did a nice retest around this area here, got rejected. It tested our strong demand zone again, and then started bouncing. We created another higher lows here, a bigger one, and as you can see, we kind of started, creating a nice pennant like that. Market was squeezing for another bigger move, and then started bouncing here, and then we still, you still have a strong selling pressure after breaking this rising wedge, and we just tried to break the structure here, but we got rejected. So I was only looking for sales here because we have, a lot of confirmations for sales. We had the sniper red, we had the meter was right here. We broke out these higher lows, and under the EMAs. So we had like a few confirmations. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations. Actually, there's a lot. There's 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, we get like 4 or 5 confirmations. So this was another entry that I mentioned to the group, but I was too busy running errands. I missed it, but I sent the analysis before I left. So if you caught this, that's another like 45 pips right there. So anyway, guys, so that's how we caught these trades right here. So if you have any questions, just send me a DM. And if you want to access the DOA strategy, just send me a DM as well. I'll drop the link below for the private Discord so you can see some of my free analysis that I post. Thank you, guys.